Yo, what's up guys? Josh here from My Alpha Empowerment. Today's power-packed video is about how to be more attractive to her and how to make her want you more. But what I'm really going to talk about today is this: maturity always wins. Now, before I get into this topic today, go ahead and click the link above me or in the description box below. That will take you right to my empowerment newsletter where you can sign up to learn more on how to become an alpha male. So maturity always wins. We live in a society that has a lot of immature guys out there. A lot of immature guys out there. Me and my girlfriend talk all the time about how, she talks to a lot of her female friends and they all the time are telling stories about how these guys are just so immature. I mean, guys in their 40s and up, you'd be completely shocked. Guys above even 40, completely immature. And, this channel was created so you guys stand out. This channel was created so you can become the most attractive version of yourself in this life. So what would I describe as being mature? Being mature is, number one, being respectful. Number two, being mature is being a man on your mission. Number three, being mature is letting women come to you. And I'm all about attracting women. We're not about forcing things on women here. We're about attracting women. Now, a lot of guys that learn all this dating advice, they think they got to do these monkey dances and do tap dances on their head to be attracted to women. We think we got to run circles around women, perform these, these crazy things for women. And ultimately, what that really is doing to her is it's just turning her off, and it's indicating to her that you have very low social value. And when you learn as a man that you can just be yourself, and as long as you present attractive qualities, women will want to be a part of your life. And then when you get out there in the dating world, you're gonna find a woman that you have extreme, awesome chemistry with. And that's exactly the way it is with my girlfriend now. It's like, I was out there and, you can go on dates with women, but when you find that one that you really have chemistry with, it just changes your world. It flips your world upside down, and there's nothing better than that situation. So being mature just comes down to a choice. What it comes down to is the stuff that we do on a daily single basis. If you are sitting in your family room playing video games every day, you are not being mature. If you're going out getting drunk every night or every weekend, you are not being mature. If you can't sit there with your woman and be mature and have, maybe a few drinks to celebrate a good night with her, and you got to go out of control and just get totally drunk, you're not being mature, guys. And a lot of this stuff is overlooked. A lot of you guys think that, as long as we're confident and we have our swag down, that we can act whatever way we want to. That's not true. Women want to feel secure with you. Women want to feel that they can trust you and that you're the man that they can count on. Women want to feel safe with you. Women want to feel like you are in control of yourself. So the most important point that I want to make out is maturity has to do with yourself. It has to do with loving yourself enough and being in control of your own state and of your own self. In a relationship, maturity is not neediness. When you become needy, you lose your maturity. And women, like I said, they will view you as lower value. When you start to put everything but yourself first, you really do start to lose yourself. Women want to know that you're in charge of your own life. Women want to know that you got a lot of things that you're accomplishing. Women want to know that even if right now you're not in a good financial position, they want to know that you're going to do whatever it takes to get that money. You're going to do whatever it takes to be successful in the career that you're in. They want to see that you put your hand to the plow. You get out there and you get the work done. You learn how to get it done. And truthfully, one of the hardest parts about being more mature, even when you're in your 20s, is the fact that, you're gonna probably have to cut out some of the bad influences in your life. Some of those bad friends that are living the party life. Some of those bad friends that are pulling you down, that are always discouraging you, that are always trying to compete with you. I made a video called How to Be the Alpha Male in 60 Seconds. You can go ahead and click that link in the video if you want to go to learn more about that. And in that video, I talk about how real alpha males, true alpha males, do not need to compete with other males to gain status. They already assume the throne. They already assume the status. They already assume the high status. They don't need to work for it. They already have it. They're already a king in their world. And they have their kingdom around them. Everywhere they go, they draw people into their kingdom. And your woman will want to be a part of that kingdom. She'll want to be your supporter. And you can support her dreams as well. But it really just comes down to being fair to yourself. When you're not mature in your own life, you don't have control over your own life and your own decisions, your life will spiral out of control. You're going to end up in a place you don't want to be in. In order for a woman to love you, you've got to love yourself first. So really, it starts with ourselves. We have to have self-love. We have to be in love with ourselves. Then she can fall in love with us. See, a lot of you guys are going out there and you're broken on the inside. You don't even value yourself. And I'm here to shake you up out of this and help you recognize the value you possess as a man. You have so many traits that will change the world around you. Guys message me all the time. I check out, their websites of their businesses and things they're passionate about. I look at their work and I say to myself, this is what my channel is all about. Look at these guys. They got so much going for them. And some of them have so much going on, but they still don't see the value in here. But I'm here to wake you up and help you realize that there is no one like you on this planet. You are unique. You have unique traits. I want you guys to strengthen your strengths and not strengthen your weaknesses. Do what you're good at. Bloom where you're planted. Don't try to be something you're not. Nothing could be more mature than that, guys. So really, in summary of this video today, why does maturity always win? Because at the end of the day, women want a real man. Women want a real man. You're a guy who knows where he's going. You're a guy who has boundaries. You're a guy who knows when to say no and when to say yes. That's what women want. That's what they always wanted. You're a guy who can lead. You're a guy who can be decisive. You're a guy who can be assertive. You're a guy that will protect your woman. Okay? You will protect your woman. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video today. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the link above me or in the description box below. That would take you right to my empowerment newsletter where you can sign up to learn more on how to become an alpha male. You guys have a great day. Be empowered.